welcome back to my channel. I just did the boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing, and now I'm doing the Ipsy Glam bag unboxing for September 2023. This is sent to me for PR, for review. I give my honest opinions, especially in the last box. This month's theme is Find Your Groove, and it looks just like the bag, except for there's no green in the bag. September is also Hispanic Heritage Month, which is cool. I didn't know that. So I got this Shades by Sham brush, which it is Hispanic owned. Now, I don't know why there's like a fuzzy in my brush. It's also cute. It's very, I like the ombre, but it does feel, it feels okay. It actually feels kind of cheap. I'm just being honest. I'm sorry. I've had other products from them. I've had a setting spray and I think maybe an eyeliner or something like that. Maybe a mascara, but they were okay. I have from Koki, which you used to be able to get at Walmart. I don't know anymore. But it has a gel eyeliner on one side, which is supposed to be purple, but I swatched it and I don't think it is. Now it's still actually on my hand, so possibly long wearing, but I don't think, when I think of this, I don't think of this. Like, that's really barely purple. But it does last well in my hand. Still on there a little bit, like, after 2 days. And then also there's a felt tip, which I don't know why we keep getting these, felt tip liquid eyeliner, so I'm going to be giving this to a friend. I got a Beauty For Real liquid, I think it's a liquid eyeliner. It doesn't even say on the packaging, it just says the shade Moon Dance, but it doesn't even say what it is, so kind of cheapy, but it's like a rose gold shade. I'm going to give this to my friend as well. I'm going to do the whole pampering thing for her. And I don't think Innisfree is cruelty free. I don't know for sure, but this is a pore clearing clay mask, 2 times with super volcanic clusters. Just a little mask. And then lastly, this is not cruelty free. This is from Origins. This is a ginseng energizing gel cream. I want more. Okay? Like, way more from this bag. Even though I get this in PR and I don't get to use the products, like, I don't think I'd be impressed with these personally. These are really Koki, I mean, whatever. But, like, the brush feels really cheap and light. The mask, maybe, if I wasn't cruelty free. And we get a lot of Beauty For Real. But I just want more. Like, this doesn't feel like something I'd be, like, excited to get. I used to pay for the boxycharm by Ipsy. I've paused the past 2 months because I've just not been impressed at all. And I don't think others have been really impressed. Like, I haven't heard anybody be like, oh my god, the bag was fantastic. The box was fantastic. Like, ever since they had the merger, I've been really... It's just been a big change and not in a good way. Mergers don't always mean positive, like, outcomes. I want more from this box. I want to see better products. Like, there were some good products for boxycharm by Ipsy that I could have gotten, but I did not. So, I'm just not impressed. Like, I'm just not impressed. I want more. I want different brands. I want more exciting products. I don't want, like, the same. I'm so sick of getting liquid eyeshadows, first of all, because they usually are not very good. And eyeshadow sticks, I'm also really sick of those. Black liquid liners. Like, how many do we need? We don't need to get one every single month. And we don't need to get a crappy mascara. If you're going to put a mascara in there, it better be good. Same thing with eyeliners. And just all the products and brushes that don't smell like chemicals, like in my boxycharm by Ipsy box. So, anyway, sorry for being negative, but, like, I'm going to be real with you guys. Like, I personally would not pay for this right now. Like, maybe they'll actually listen to their customers, but I don't know. So anyway, this video, like, if you want to see more content from me, I do mostly beauty, but I also do, like, I do grocery hauls weekly. I want to do more, but let me know what you guys are interested in seeing from me, being a vegan and cruelty free creator. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Subscribe if you want to see this face more.